Oh, hello, Patrick. This is Leo. Look, I'm in Sydney. Um, we do, first of all, we create beautiful websites. We're a marketing company in Sydney, originally from the US, but we're working in Sydney now. Just showing you what we do, Patrick. Want you to have a quick look. I've just created you a mobile-friendly website. And this is it here. And I also want to talk to you about landscaping in Sydney opportunities. Okay, so this is your website here. Just want to show you. Google's saying it's not mobile friendly. Bear with me for a second. I'll put mine in that I've made for you, and we'll click on that. While that's loading, you'll see this is showing me all the information here, which is very important. While that's loading, I want to take you over here. Okay, landscaping, North Shore, Sydney is it's the most important keyword for landscapers in the North Shore. So Google's telling me that this is what people are searching for. Upper North Shore, blah blah blah. Anyway, so when I Google that, I don't find your website. It's nowhere to be found. But I see all these guys here. They've got their websites in the map listings, and these are the organic listings. So this guy here is getting all the phone calls. These guys here, they're generating all the work. I don't see you anywhere here. And obviously, most searches are on Google. This is where all the money is. 80% of searches come from Google. These are the paid listings. You can do these as well. These are called Google AdWords. They are tricky. They can be expensive, and you've got to make them hard to. You've got to work hard to make them work and profitable, which is something that we also do. Okay, so basically, we're looking for a landscape to work with in the North Shore because we found opportunities and gaps in the marketplace. Um, so I just want to show you some proof over here. Um, okay, this is going back to your website. As you can see, the website that I made for you is 100% mobile friendly. There it is there. This can obviously be changed. Okay, so when we go to opportunities, how do I know? If I go to my tools over here, I can see that there's 1,300 searches for landscaping in Sydney. Okay, these are the main keywords here. Obviously, we don't want to target all of Sydney because it's way too big. I wouldn't. I prefer just to work in the North Shore. That's where the money is anyway. Um, and this is the data that I'm getting here. Okay, so um, 1,300 searches. Now, why are we confident that we could generate business for the landscaper that we work for? Okay, well, by the opportunities that I mentioned. If you can see here, that's the biggest one there, landscaping Sydney, 58%. That's what gets most of the traffic, but obviously we'll change that to landscaping North Shore. That percentage will obviously drop. Okay, now why are we confident that we can get you into this listing over here, the map listing? Well, this guy here doesn't have a website connected. Okay, so there are opportunities for us. But obviously, when I do my research and see how they got in there, I'm just checking out one of the competitors. They have a 39% error rate, so they have not done this properly at all. This is one other thing that we specialize in is getting all the listings. It's very tricky with Google. You've got to set things up 100%. It cannot be 99%. If it's 99%, you get all these errors, which Google doesn't like. Google likes you to be, very switched on with this. Okay, so going back here, I just want to show you some proof now. Okay, so here's an example of some of the people we've worked for in Sydney. So if we go to Hummer Limo Hire in Melbourne, you can see this is what people are searching for. Google's telling us these are the big searches. So if we go this one here and search, you'll see one of our clients here. There we are. Mr. Hummer Limousine. I'll open this up. Actually, I clicked on the wrong button. Let me just go back here. Let me just open this in another tab. Okay, so you can see we're also in the organic listing. That's us there, Mr. Hummer. And Mr. Hummer in the map listings as well. So I'll open these up. Just wait for it to load. Okay, so that's still loading. That's typical. Just when I want to show you something, it's slow. That's us there. You can see you can click on, let's get rid of the music. Okay, you can see there's a click to call, really important. So if a customer's checking out this website on their mobile, they can just simply click and call. We've also got some YouTube videos in there, which is really good. Google loves that also. See, all these are click to call. So that's one of our websites there. And you can see this is the one that was in the organic listing. So the same thing there, get rid of that. Okay, and then this is another client that we've worked for in the States. Me and my partner have worked on this, so it's Chiropractor Louisville in Texas. So if we go down here, this was a super competitive market. This was working with him for about 6 months. So if we click on this link here, we'll open up his website. And there it is. Look at that beautiful, stunning website. Click to call, which is really good. People can do that from their computer. They don't have to write down a phone number. They can just click and call here. A lot of content in here, which we've strategically placed with all the good keywords. There's about 1,000 on the homepage, which is really good. Google loves that. And you can see everything's really neat. All the super keywords are in here. The map as well. So, just letting you know that, okay, when it comes to the website, there's two things from this conversation. The website build is up for all the landscapers. We can do the websites for everybody. That's not a problem. But we are only going to work with one landscaper to generate business. One only. We can't work for 20 landscapers and get them on the first page to drive them business, because you can't stick 20. That would be defeating the purpose. So we're looking at working with one. Whether it's you, if you're interested and you're an action taker and you're keen to grow your business, sure, hit reply. You can call me, you can text me, and we can talk about this. If you're not interested in generating more work, but you are interested in the website, sure, you can contact me also. And that's it. Like I said, look, either way, we're only going to work with one. So whether it's you or your competitor, it doesn't really matter to us. But either way, if you're interested, hit reply and we'll talk soon. Okay. Thank you and bye for now.